And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Tango gold level choreography with teaching count. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold. And we start with a rock on left foot. We continue with open finish, which means man steps last step outside partner, and dance first 2 steps of open reverse turn and continue with outside spin, then natural rock turn, which includes closed finish, and then open reverse turn with lady outside and closed finish. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start down line of dance with a rock on left foot. We continue with open finish diagonally to center. Then we dance open reverse turn first 2 steps down line of dance, outside spin diagonally to wall, and natural rock turn. We start diagonally to wall and continue down line of dance. Finish diagonally to center, and then open reverse turn, down line of dance, and we finish near the corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.